Hello everyone, how are you? Good to see you. Thank you very much for joining today. This is the 12th of January. This is Sunday, so I'm here to do the Sunday's weekly forecast. Today I cover US dollar in Forex market because they moved, some of the pairs moved. So I cover the USD pairs and then I cover gold and also Bitcoin. So let me start the live stream by saying hi to everyone, and I hope you're having a great weekend today. Okay, hello Mario, good to see you. Thank you very much for joining. Yes, let me check USD PLN in Forex after I cover USD pairs. Well, that's USD pair too. So yeah, let me cover that one too. Okay, and Namho, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. Oh yeah, sorry, I haven't replied the email yet because it's a weekend and I have been out all day. But yes, I will make sure to reply and join the KTS hopefully soon and see you there. Thank you so much for your comment. All right, Hinata, thank you very much for joining from Philippines. Good to see you. And CSM, good to see you too. Thank you for joining as always. And Tony Gold, good to see you too. And thank you very much for joining as always too. Okay, and Robert, good to see you too. And Lirius, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. And Vic, thank you for joining too. And Raven, good to see you too. Happy Sunday as well. Yeah, thank you very much for joining. And Dinesh, good to see you too. And Orto, good to see you too. And everyone, thank you very much for joining today. Okay, bring it on, good to see you. And Rob, good to see you too. And Charles, thank you very much for joining. And Freeman, also thank you very much for joining today. So yes, let me start the live stream. So by the way, today is my birthday, so it's been some special day for me too. Okay, so let me start. So let me switch the screen and let me move on to trading view. Okay, trading view. And let me cover USD pairs. So first, let me cover Euro USD. And I will cover Pound USD and also USD JPY, USD CAD also, and USD PLN too. Oh, thank you very much everyone for your messages. Yeah, it's my birthday today. Oh, I get lots of messages. Thank you very much for happy birthday message, everyone. Thanks so much. Yeah, so this, my birthday is 12th of January. So after New Year, birthday comes in like 2 weeks. So I feel like, for the first 2 weeks in January is my holiday. But it's a nice feeling, so it's good. All right, hello Nadim, hello Bill. Thank you for joining. Yeah, thank you very much for your messages. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much everyone. So yeah, when it becomes my birthday, then I feel finally, my year started this year. Until my birthday, I'm still like slow. But after my birthday, then yeah, I really start to work, start to be be ready for the work. Oh, Dinesh, your birthday was on the 5th of January. Okay, congratulations too. Happy birthday to you too. Yes, we both Capricorn. Yes, yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now let me cover Euro USD first. This pair I monitor closely because it's about to break the support. And if you look at the weekly time frame, it's down. And target is really wide on this one. Euro USD has been one of my watch lists. I mean, one of the pairs I monitor closely. If you look at the weekly time frame and zoom out like this way, then you see that there is no supports all the way down until 0.9533. So once the market starts down, then I think it becomes continuous. I mean, more stably down than other choppy markets. So last week, the market closed with a bearish bar, and 2 weeks ago, it closed with a bearish bar too. So this market is now down, and plus, according to KTS, Kumo is down, Kijun-sen is down, Tenkan-sen down too, and Chikou span below the candles, and it broke the range bearish. It has been range all the way, then it broke bearish. So I can see that this is the new downtrend. So let's look for selling opportunities continuously on Euro USD. And as you may know, the currency USD has been very strong, and so I think the strength of the USD becomes continuously being strong. So in that reason also, I think Euro USD will be downtrend continuously. Yeah, especially after the breakout of the support level here, 1.0447. Now it's below the Tenkan-sen, so it's downtrend, obviously. So Euro USD looks very nice. One of the best pairs, I would say, to monitor and trade this coming week. And next one is Pound USD. Pound USD is also very nice because it broke the support as well. The previous support level was 1.2304, and now it's going towards 1.2034, and now it's still going down in progress. So like I mentioned, the target is 1.2034, and sorry, let me just align it like this way. And so far we have a room of 160 pips or so to trade. So this is weekly time frame, so you may think it's not that much of pips, but actually it's very big. So downtrend. Pound USD also looks very nice to me to monitor and sell next week. Yeah, so that's Pound USD. But the only concern about this market is Kumo is very thin, and Kijun-sen is above the Kumo. So that means the market can be choppy anytime. Yes, it broke the support level last week. I mean, closed below the support, but this coming week it may retrace or it may range consolidate. So if you don't see the market going down continuously, then you shouldn't trade. You shouldn't trade. You better monitor and wait for the range breakout on either weekly or even the daily time frame. And I think that's the better setup for this pair. Booth misses, could it be a giant N wave? Yeah, this is, yes, reverse N wave, bearish, yes. So from here, all the way 2022 October, I think it's hidden by my face, so let me just adjust it like this way. So this is September 2022. It marked a swing low. After that, it went up, but it didn't break the resistance. Instead, it became range, became Y wave, then Y wave broke bullish and became bullish in a wave up to here. And after this, the market went down, broke the previous support, but it stopped. So this was I wave. This is pattern of N wave and I wave. And after this, the market went up and down and up, became N wave, then another I wave. So here, this section is actually called Y wave, which you don't want to trade until you see the next N wave. So after this, next N wave happened here. So this is the sign of the new bullish trend. After Y wave, then it stretched once and twice and reached all the way here, 1.34. Again, after this, the market went down and broke the support. In this case, the market broke two supports and stopped here, retraced, but it was resisted by the Tenkan-sen. Then it's going down this way here. So you've seen that these patterns, right? Whenever you see bullish in wave, it breaks. I mean, the market breaks the previous support in the downtrend. So here was the case, here also, and here too. So that means now it broke the support. Again here it's breaking. So even if the market retraces back this way, it's more likely that the market continues downtrend, and it even breaks 1.2034 and continue bearish. And this scenario is really possible for this pound USD. But again, Kumo is very tiny and thin, and Kijun Sen above the Kumo. So this is still not this won't become a stable downtrend yet. So that's why I say, whenever the market retraces, you don't want to enter trade. You wait for the downtrend confirmation and look for selling opportunities after this. So that was pound USD. And next one I would like to cover is USD JPY. Oh, on the weekly, even bigger if you zoom out. Giant N wave. Okay, let me see. If I zoom out all the way, then let's see how it looks like. So waves are between the highs and lows. So in the weekly time frame, I see lots of waves. So let me check the monthly time frame. I think it's more clear. If you look at the monthly time frame, then yeah, this was actually one N wave, bullish, and then now it's becoming Y wave. Becoming Y wave now. But from here onwards, this may become a new bearish N wave, like this way. So yeah, either way, it's downtrend to me on the monthly perspective as well. So let me now move on to USD JPY. USD JPY weekly time frame, I'm waiting for the break of the resistance still. Resistance level is 158.13, and this one is about to break. Because now we have the Chikou span is touching the candle, but once the Chikou span comes above the candlestick, that means the buyers for the last 26 trading weeks are now winning the trade. That's simply what Chikou span above the candles mean. So once that happens, then more buyers may come in, and the market most likely goes up to 162.0. So So that's the target on this one. So now Chikou span touching, so let's wait for next week. This coming week. And if the Chikou span closes above the candlestick, then it becomes bullish. Or even if it doesn't break the resistance, Chikou span becomes sideways. So if it goes flat like this way, then the Chikou span still touches the candlestick this week. And the following week, even if the Chikou span becomes sideways, as the candlestick also becomes sideways, and without breaking the resistance, now Chikou span locates above the candlestick. Right? So this is another sign of the new up bullish trend. So this is also why time is very important in Ichimoku strategy. Even if the market goes sideways, even if the price doesn't change, the time changes. And as time changes, then the market situation changes also, even if the price doesn't change. Like I mentioned on Ichimoku 1 to 5 video series long time ago, this is how Goichi Hosoda was also describing about the market. Just like wine, or just like aging process, even if it doesn't change, it the quality or the situation changes over time. So when Chikou span above the candles, even if the market goes sideways, then that can be also the sign of the new breakout. But either way, I am waiting for the breakout of the resistance, and it's likely to happen in a few weeks. And we have 382 pips of room to trade, which is very big on this one. Okay, so next one is USD CAD. This pair has been bullish, and it is still bullish. Now it's about to break 1.4467, and after the breakout, it can extend all the way to 1.4668 level, and it's bullish now continuously. So this one, Tenkan-sen is up, and Senko span A is up, Senko span B is also up. Kijun-sen has been flat, but since the price above the Tenkan-sen, and Tenkan-sen itself is a bullish trend up, so that means it's bullish basically. So the price is about to break the resistance, and I think it extends all the way up. So basically USD CAD is also bullish to me, and this is another pair I monitor closely this week and also in the month of January. So we have lots of good markets to trade, seems like. And also let me cover USD Swiss franc. This is weekly. It has been bullish also, and it's about to reach the target of 0.9224. Kumo has twisted bullish also, but here Chikou span above the candles, but Kijun-sen is below the Kumo. So that means once the market reaches here, I don't think it breaks. For the market to break, it's better for the Kijun-sen to be above the Kumo. So if that's not the case, then it may be resisted and consolidate. And as it goes sideways, then Kijun-sen breaks, or Kijun-sen becomes above the Kumo. Even if it goes sideways, Kijun-sen becomes above the Kumo, and that's the sign of the breakout. So USD Swiss franc to me is also bullish. Yeah, so this one is also another nice pair to monitor. And AUD USD. AUD USD has been bearish also. It's been trending, And what's more, it closed below the previous support level of 0.6169. So this pair is now becoming a new downtrend, and target is all the way down 0.55, and we have more than 600 pips to trade. But it doesn't mean that you can capture all the 600 pips. Most likely it's not possible because the market retraces, ranges, and we cannot really tell how long it takes for the market to reach 0.55. It could take only 1 month, or it could take 1 year, or 2 years, 5 years. We can't really tell. So what I mean by target is until the market reaches here, I continuously look for selling opportunities. So that's a definition of the way I describe the target. And if I zoom out all the way, then you see there's no supports until here. So that's why I think the market becoming bearish now. Last week broke the support and downtrend is continuous. So let's monitor closely also on AUD/USD this week. And also let me cover USD/PLN as requested. I think it's bullish, but let me see. So here is USD/PLN, and this is weekly time frame also. But I can see that now it's about to break the Kumo. So let's wait for that to happen. Yeah. Kumo already twisted bullish. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross, Chikou break happened. So the last signal is the Kumo breakout. And that's called a Sanko Koten signal. And I think the market goes up to here, the previous high simply, which is 4.4469. That's the target. Until the market reaches the price, you continue to look for buying opportunities. In this case, you never sell. According to Ichimoku, it's bullish. Okay, that covered the Forex pairs. So now let me move on to gold. XAU/USD gold. Now people start to be interested in gold because it's now becoming bullish. So I start to have some questions or comments about the gold. Yeah, so here is gold. XAU/USD, and this is weekly time frame. So I see lots of lines, so let me simply clarify something here. So I drew the line here 2666 level because it was the previous Tenkan-sen and the resistance, but now it has already passed, so I delete the line and it's going bullish now, and the target is 2721 and the ultimate target is 2800. So now it's bullish. Kumo itself is flat. Senko span A is not above the previous Senko span A, or it's now retracing basically. So even if the market is bullish last week, it may retrace anytime soon. In this case, I think the best way or the best logic to trade is you check the daily time frame and wait for the bounce on the Kumo or bounce on the trend line. I think these are the good timings to buy. Or if you follow my strategy, KTS, then of course you can find more entry confirmations in the lower time frames. But gold is now gradually bullish, and I think it continues. Okay, so next one is BTCUSD. let me go to cryptos and BTCUSD. And here is the weekly time frame. So according to the weekly time frame, it's too bullish because Tenkan-sen angle is up. So most likely the price will be supported by the Tenkan-sen and continuously bullish. Whenever Tenkan-sen angle or Kijun-sen angle and the price touches, most likely bounce is also one of the Ichimoku strategies. Again, in this case, Tenkan-sen angle. So when the price touches, it bounces and goes up. So that's BTCUSD analysis. Okay, so let me cover some of other comments too. Okay, Federico, good to see you. Thank you very much for your words. Marcin says, my analysis for Euro-USD shows weekly range 1 to 1. Is it E level? Weekly range 1 to 1. Let me see. Euro-USD, right? Weekly range of 1 to 1. Well, this target basically is the swing low. If you take the E target, then it becomes, let me see, from top to here, and that amount becomes here. Yeah, so E target is very close to what I draw, the line here, the swing low. So when they match like this, then it's more reliable to capture the trend direction. Okay, Charles says, please check ADUSD and USDC AD. Yes, both are checked already. Some new trends. Okay, hello Roro, good to see you. Oh, Rob G, and thank you very much. Thank you very much for your comment, as always. Ali says, hello Mr. K, could you please set up one trigger entry in 15 or 5 minutes as example? Yes. Actually, you can find some videos on YouTube. You can search Forex K and entry confirmation. Then you can find some videos. But in YouTube, I basically cover viewers' questions and comments. So the topics are random, and sometimes I go deep, sometimes I don't. So it's like more like a flexible style in YouTube. But here in the KTS Academy, which is the monthly one here, I have much more videos about the entry and the logics behind and enter exit examples. So you can join and learn from it too. Okay, Philip says pound USD broke through the monthly flat Senko span B. Okay, that's interesting. Let me check. Pound USD monthly. GBP USD. Oh, GBP USD. Oh, here. Let's see. Oh yeah, monthly pound USD broke the Kumo, right? Flat Senko span B. So it's heading down. Looks like it's heading down. So this one also is a pattern like we saw on Euro USD. We had the bullish in the wave, and now it's coming down, and I think this one also becomes Y wave. Y wave is when the market breaks the support and goes bearish, then up. So yeah, pound USD from the monthly perspective also it's bearish to me. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you very much for your happy birthday messages to me. Thank you so much. Okay. Amvik says for Australian USD, the price is ranging far from Kijun Sen, is there a chance of retracement? Price ranging far from Kijun Sen. Yeah, when the price is below the Kijun Sen and when Kijun Sen flat, that's when the market retraces most likely. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for the comment. Trump election impact, right? I'm sure it's going to impact a lot. And I think USD will be bought more initially. Okay, GameWise says, what about natural gas and Nasdaq and Dow Jones? Okay, let me check Nasdaq today. Okay, here is Nasdaq 100, and it's bullish still. It's bullish. There's no sign of a retracement on this one because it never broke the Tenkan Sen. It went all the way up here. So, yeah. Nasdaq to me is bullish, and the price has been supported by the Tenkan Sen many times. Yeah, so it's bullish now. Okay, Anvik says, I have been an investor in equity, long-term and swing trading for a while, now starting my futures trading tomorrow. Since I don't trade, I cannot really give any advice. If that's Forex, then I can definitely advise. But yeah, because I don't experience so much. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. There are so many comments and happy birthday. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, today is my birthday, so time flies. Time flies. Vietnam index. Okay, let me check. Okay, VN30. Oh, VN index. So here is monthly time frame, its range, and weekly time frame, its range also, and daily is now range too. So at the moment there's no trend, but I think I mentioned this one like a couple weeks ago, maybe last week or couple of weeks ago. This is called ascending P wave. So the market may be traced, but I think it will be supported and goes up. And once it breaks, I think the market goes really fast. So it's better to monitor closely on this one. Yeah, don't give up and just stay close and monitor. And when the market goes according to your scenario, that's when you enter the trade. Yes. Okay, Serkan says, are you using standard or Ichimoku? 9, 10 Kansen. Yes. I use standard or, yeah, standard Ichimoku. 9, 26, and 51. Genwai says, would you recommend 2 or 3 different time frames? Yes. When I analyze the market, then I do the multiple time frames from weekly all the way down to the 5-minute time frame. So yeah, you can do multiple time frames and see how the market's moving. You kind of have to have 2 brains when you do that. But yeah, I think that's good. Okay, Bitcoin daily time frame. All right, let me check. Cryptos and BTCUSD. Okay, so this is weekly time frame. So let me go to daily time frame. Okay. Daily time frame is exactly within the Kumo first. That's first thing I mentioned. I really realize it. And the Kumo twisted bearish, but Kijun Sen is within the Kumo, so overall it's range. No trend yet. Okay, Serkan says, why not 20 Tenkan? It's working better. You mean setting of Ichimoku, Tenkan Sen? Yeah, for me, I stick to original settings because I trade Forex and I don't have to change the settings because it has been working very well for me for the last few years. So yeah, and also these numbers 9, especially 26. You may think 26 is the number of the month, excluding the holidays and weekends, but actually it's not. Gocho says 26 is the number I came up to study based on a study of analysis, a study of the market and analysis of long time with his team members. So 26 is not coming from the monthly business days. It's not. It's more like Fibonacci number. Fibonacci numbers are like numbers like magic numbers, so to speak. Ichimoku numbers are also the same. So in this reason also you don't have to change. Whether it's cryptos or Forex or any markets, my recommendation is to stick to the original settings. And also if you want to use the time cycles or some other Ichimoku strategies, then if you change the numbers, you won't be able to use them. Okay, let me see. Jenwai says, have you noticed that Chikou span breakout of Don-chan channel is a good trend? I don't use Don-chan channel, so I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe I can try later and see how it looks like. Don-chan is kind of like a Ichimoku, right? High and low in certain period of time. Okay. Oh, thank you very much for your happy birthday comment. Thank you so much. Also, yes, 26 is the psychological number in trading. In terms of the traders, mindset. Okay, Serkan says, I'm professional about Ichimoku. I worked a lot and know many things about Ichimoku. Trust me, especially about SPX and crypto is working better 20 Tenkan Sen in 60 Kijun Sen. Then that's good. You can use those numbers. Yes. I'm not against changing the numbers. For me, I prefer to stick to original teachings and that's it. Okay, yes. Okay, so I think I covered all topics for today, so I will be finishing the live soon. Oh, Dow Jones. Okay, let me check the Dow Jones finally. Okay, Dow Jones index weekly time frame. Okay, it's almost touching the Kijun Sen, so this is basically Kijun Sen retracement strategy. Whenever Kijun Sen flat, the market tends to be attracted to Kijun Sen, and it's about to happen. So now, after touching the Kijun Sen, you better monitor and see if it breaks If it does, the next target is going to become the Kumo. If it's not, then bounce and the target becomes Tenkan-sen. So we have to wait and see how the weekly bar closes this coming week. Yeah. Okay, so that's the analysis on Dow Jones. Okay. Okay, Solana, please. Pound AUD, please. Let me cover Pound AUD. I don't trade cryptos, so let me cover Pound AUD. The end. Okay. Pound AUD. Okay, weekly time frame. Okay, so this one is also retracing. It's retraced to the Tenkan-sen. And Kumo Kijun-sen are up, but it's retracing. So this is going to be the very difficult market to trade. I think eventually the market goes bullish, but I don't see the sign of the bullishness yet. It has been supported by the trend line. I think I mentioned this like 3 times previously. It has been supported, or 4 times actually supported. So far the market broke the resistances, now retracing and touching Tenkan-sen. So I think the market will be supported and goes up continuously. So long term is bullish, but now it's retracing. So you better wait for the bullishness, more buying momentum to be able to buy on this one. Yeah, you can contact me by email. The link, I mean the information is on the below description, so please write me an email. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. And again, seems like the markets are really like active in the month of January already. Well, they were active actually on the first week of January also. So it's a good thing, you know. For me as a full-time trader, I always think that, you know, we never know when the trend is over. So when the market's active and trending, that's when you trade. And when the markets are quiet, ranging, then you don't trade. And that's really simple. So never go against the law of nature. When there's nothing, then do nothing. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. I hope we have a great weekend and also great trading week this coming week from tomorrow. And hope to see you again soon. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.